name's Jennifer Lyle. I'm with Live Healthy, and I am a distributor or independent sales associate with Richway Bio, and I've been working with them since 2008. I am here to introduce to you the BioAmethyst Cushion with a little unboxing video. This is what it looks like when it arrives. It's a small box, and it comes in this little travel bag. So what you'll find in the box is this travel bag as well as a small information sheet. That tells you a little bit about the product. So this is a fairly new product from Richway. It came out about 2 years ago, and this is what it looks like. This cover is very soft and luxurious, and it measures about 18 inches by 18 inches. And it's fairly heavy. It's actually 4.4 pounds. So there are several components to this. There's this outside layer, which zips off. And then inside, you'll find 2 more layers. This is a cotton cover that just attaches with this elastic band here. And then this here is the amethyst pad itself. So there are crystals, little crystals. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But there are tumbled amethyst crystals down all the way down the ridge. So there is no heat with this pad. There is no heat with this pad. So you're getting the benefit of the amethyst crystals, so relaxing, soothing, gentle far infrared rays that are automatically generated by the amethyst itself. And then you have the comfort with the cotton pad and then the quilted top to make it comfortable for sitting on. So you can put it on your chair. It'd be great if you have a long car ride. You could sit and meditate on it as well. It is quite comfortable, and it is just lovely to bring some gentle, relaxing energy from the amethyst crystals into your daily routine. On this pad, this information sheet here, it just shows you the different components, how to put it together, and also shows you how to wash it. So if you're interested in the BioAmethyst Cushion, you can see my kitty cat here. You can order it through my secure website at livhealthy.tv. If you have any question about the BioAmethyst Cushion or any of other products by Richway Bio, I'd be honored and delighted to support you with understanding if it's the right product for you. So visit me at my website, livhealthy.tv, or you can call me at the number on the screen. My name's Jennifer Lyle, and I look forward to being of assistance. I hope you have a magical day.